Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill and yes, I'm walking. So, got some exciting information, news, you can say. I am pushing to get 1,000 subscribers. That's what I want. I want 1,000 of you guys. I've got 560 subscribers right now. The good news is once this channel is monetized, and I'm sure I'm not going to be making a, ton of money by no means, but every penny that I make off this channel, guaranteed, is going to go back into the Deuce. At least until, it's got all the creature comforts that a man like myself would like. But, and the good news is I'm going to let you guys decide on what project we start on and where we end up at. For instance, tires, brake upgrades to the disc brakes, even a new Cummins engine would be nice. And I'm planning on doing all the work because that is also the kind of guy that I am. At least all of it that I very well can do. So, push to 1,000 subscribers. I just think once I get to 1,000, I'll be able to get the watched hours or whatever YouTube wants to have. And, I'm down here. Where is she at? Down here with the Deuce right now. Also, I have a barndominium getting ready to get started. Now, this is a 5-year project that I'm getting ready to embark on. We should be starting the roof structure, I'm hoping next week. The barndominium videos that I'll be posting on YouTube will be on my other channel, which will be up here on the screen somewhere. I'll post a link to that in case if any of you all are interested in knowing about a barndominium and what it consists of. And I will be pretty detailed with that as far as how much money I'm spending and what things are costing and what I'm doing and how they're doing it and blah, 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 blah. And there's a dog. But the Deuce. I am not done upgrading this Deuce, by no means. She needs a lot of work, like all of them. They're 50 years old. We all, we get to 50 years old, we need a lot of work just to keep up with the Joneses. So, I just got this new mic mini from DJI. I'm turning into a DJI guy here, which I just love their products. They're easy, and they hold up. And I'm using my new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. If y'all are interested in any of that information, just let me know in the comments below and I will be glad to share, what all I'm using these days. But I do love this camera. This camera is much better than my Action 3 that I had. It's got a bigger sensor, so it does way better in the low light. So, but anyway, 1,000 subscribers. Y'all help me to get there, and we will all benefit in the long run. We'll get to see me, sweating to the oldies, 1971 oldies back here as this M35A2 Deuce and a Half. And I can't wait. I can't wait. So very excited. Barndominium coming. If y'all are interested, follow the link to my other channel. caught on camera. So anyway, that's all I got. Oh, one last thing. The hand injury. I am still doing hand therapy. I'm still seeing the doctor, you know, every couple months. We're about at my 5 months since the injury. This happened on June 26th, 2024. It's a work injury, and I'm still recovering. I can bend that much now, which is pretty good. It's, you know, I gain every week, just a little bit of movement. So I will tell you, the hand does not like the cold weather. I just come back from Missouri. If you all follow me on my other channel, you'll see that I got to witness some snow. I love the snow. I miss the snow. I'm from Missouri. So I grew up with the snow, and I miss it. I do not miss the cold, though. That's why I moved to Alabama. Well, it's not why I moved to Alabama, but it's been a very good perk since I've moved to Alabama to have the warmer temperatures. We do still get the cold here, but it's not near as bad and as long as what Missouri gets. So anyway, I'm going to stop my rambling. Otherwise, this video will just go on and on and on. But I appreciate each and every one of you that follows me on YouTube, that has subscribed. I'm off here. It's cold outside. I'm going back inside. And we will see you all in the next video. Very excited. Thanks for watching.